Pretty simple if you understand what I'm about.
How to grow your Instagram.
Growing your Instagram is kind of like baking a cake.
This was the perfect way to test the algorithm.
The quickest way to grow your Instagram in 2021. We're gonna go over the top 3 things that you have to do. As always, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave us a comment. Everybody knows that social media is a huge thing right now. YouTube, we're on now. Instagram, harder to do. TikTok, super easily apparently to blow up on. You know, there's Pinterest, LinkedIn, there's all kinds of stuff. Today, we are gonna tell you how we went from 5,000 Instagram subscribers to 14,000 in less than 2 weeks. It had a lot to do with, number 1, consistency. Number 2 is Reels, the new way to blow up on Instagram. And then number 3, get people to argue. And we're gonna go over each one of those. All social media platforms, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, are extremely valuable. The reason they are so valuable is because they get your name out there, they help bring deals in, they help bring money in, they help bring opportunity in. If you are not on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, and Facebook for business purposes only, you are definitely not doing everything you can to get more deals in 2021. With that being said, number 1 is consistency with the platform. We've really went a different level of consistency with our Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. We did hire a full-time media employee to help us with that. And so now we post on Instagram every single day. We'll post a reel every day, and we'll also post a regular feed. Now the regular feed may be once every couple of days, but the reel is every single day. And it can be anything. It could be just a silly video. Hell, it could even be your dog taking a shit. I don't care, right? It's consistency over time. We started with about 15 or 20 videos, and they did okay, but we were doing the 15 or 20 videos in conjunction with doing TikTok. We saw TikTok blow up, absolutely murder it. We're at 63,000 followers right now. As always, go follow us. Flip this dot together, TikTok. And we blew up. We didn't know what happened, how we grew that quick, except for the consistency. So we took that model and we transitioned it over to Instagram. And Instagram itself took to it. They are trying to compete with TikTok tremendously. So they brought out Reels, and they're taking those Reels and they're allowing you to push out to hundreds and thousands, if not millions of people, how you never could before. Never.
You should be very strategic as to which platform you choose. There are some platforms that have enough supply of content and enough demand. There's 50,000 pieces of videos uploaded per day and 500 million viewers per day. Like that's average of 10 views per video or whatever. That's equilibrium platforms. There are platforms that don't have equilibrium. Incredible demand for attention, but not enough supply of content, high quality content. And so if you look at it now, what are the platforms that have the misequilibrium? If you want to be discovered, you need to be either on Facebook or TikTok or Instagram Reels. These are the 3 places that still have that leverage opportunity.
You could not grow Instagram legally as quickly as we have grown it over the last 2 weeks without Reels and staying consistent. So because of that, number 2, most important thing right now on growing and blowing up on Instagram is Reels. So with the Reels, we have found we're really doing what we're doing on TikTok. We're making it funny, we're making it super quick. Reels have to be less than 30 seconds. Some of ours are shorter than that, Some of ours are exactly 30 seconds. Some get, 1,000 views. Others, we have one right now with 830,000 views. That has really, really increased us over the last couple of weeks. It's also increased our ability to get to know other people in the industry. They see what we're doing. We've had tons of people reach out with deals and everything like that. So the number one way to get that 10,000 super quick right now is Reels. And number 3, the biggest thing that we have found is spark engagement. We call it get people to argue. So debate what you're doing. We posted one that we thought that we could sell a house for $1 million. And we had so many people come back and be like, no way, does anybody even pay $1 million, this and that. And it's when you get people talking and going in the comments. Now, don't engage them. You don't have to engage the comments. It's not something that's necessary to go prove people wrong in the comments or go, start an argument or anything like that. They'll do it themselves. Like, don't dive into that type of argumentative or any type of that hate on social media because it doesn't matter. Who cares? But when they got talking, then other people would come in and they would be like, no, he can get $1 million. And then another guy would come in, no, he can't do it. And so it really increased the volume on the reel. And as people would see one reel, they end up clicking on your profile and going to another, and then another, and then another, and then another. And they stay on your profile and then they follow you. And then that reel goes to somebody else and the same thing. In wrapping up on this, I know this is a short video, but I think it's really powerful to know that right now, if you are not on social media and you're not growing your presence, then as a real estate investor, you're not doing everything you can to get more deals, better deals, and get better money. Number 1 is to make sure that you are consistently posting. Number 2 is to make sure that you're following the reels and doing the reels. Do whatever's new for Instagram, and right now it's reels and they're pushing it hard. And number 3, make it engaging. Make it extremely engaging. Make people want to argue in the comments so you can get more views on it. Now, don't lie, don't stretch the truth, but are we going to actually sell the house for $1 million? I don't know. We'll probably be close, to be 100% honest, but it gets that engagement going, and it's super, super easy to do. Thanks for tuning in today. Send us your Instagram, post it on here. We'll follow you. And anything that you guys need, leave it in the comments. And hit that subscribe button. As always, hit that like button. Thanks for being with us.